can you please tell me about your typical day?
So my day starts with the meeting where we'll be discussing what are the tasks to do on the current day. And later after that, I'll be collaborating with my team member if I get stuck in some other phases. As a designer, like most of the time, 60 to 70% only I'll be designing, and the rest of the 30% will be going on meetings and other stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you done a research in your company for a project?
Yeah, I have done some user research with 10 to 20 people, from understanding the user flow, understanding the user journey, and understanding the pain points that I've been dealing with.
And you are going to observe silently in terms of where they are facing struggle and all. So in today's podcast, we have a special guest. So we have Mr. Jitesh. Currently he's working as a lead UX designer in a company. So he is going to share his experience with us.
So hi everyone, I'm working as a UX designer like in Fractal Ink Design Studio, where they have been dealing completely with UX part and UI part alone. They kind of deal with mostly CRM based products and other products like B2C products also and D2C products also. So I'm basically working on most kind of things.
So CRM in the sense kind of an enterprises,
Exactly.
customer relationship management, or basically the lead management and
Exactly. So it basically deals with sales management, lead management, other kind of stuff that deals with business and employees, how they are interacting with them and the business. So yeah.
Right. So that is an enterprise. So B2C in the sense of business to consumers type of a product.
Yeah, especially like Tata Starbucks app. Some kind of apps like that. So they also deal with those things, and majorly they deal with like hotel management applications, which deals with like, say for example, there are small business and mid-level businesses where they want to expand their business in the digital way. So they'll come to us and we'll be giving them a digital solution where they can gain the market throughout the area, throughout the world also. Yeah.
So you are saying hotel management systems. So hotel management, that is a building or a
pass, and also that like how similar to like booking.com, where you will be booking the rooms also. Apart from that booking system, we also now do these stuffs also.
Okay, great, fine. So can you please tell me about your typical day?
Okay, so my day starts with the meeting where we'll be discussing what are the tasks to do on the current day, and if there are any pending tasks that have been taken place in the previous or last week, some kind of backlogs that happened previously. So we'll be discussing that, and if I need some help from the higher officials or leads or TLs or some other peoples or managers or CEOs, whoever it is, so I'll connect with them and sort out some of the problems that I have. And later after that, I'll be collaborating with my team member if I get stuck in some other places, where I'll be gathering or brainstorming ideas or getting some feedback from them also. So those part will be done, and after the end of the day, I'll be again connecting with them and asking about the designs and wireframes and whatever the stuff that I've done with, and gaining the expectation level where is it up to the mark or is it not up to the mark, or what is lacking over there, and is it like exactly solving the user's problem. So the kind of stuff I'll be dealing with.
Okay. So mostly we there in the meetings, then design, reviews, feedback, collaboration with the team, generating ideas, again you have to revise the design or iterate the designs.
Exactly. So as a designer, like most of the time, 60 to 70% only I'll be designing, and the rest of the 30% will be going on meetings and other stuff.
Okay. Alright. Fine. So are you working both in UX or UI?
So currently I've been fully focusing on UX part alone. Sometimes if I get a chance or if I get some time, so I'll just play my hands in UI also. If I want to help someone, since I have some bandwidth. If that's the case, then I'll be doing the UI stuff also. But mostly extensively, UX part alone.
Okay.
Yeah.
So then you are involving with a lot of documentations, research.
Exactly.
So have you done a research in your company for projects?
Yeah, I have done some user research with 10 to 20 people, from business to business enterprise applications. Regarding for the enterprise application, I've been extensively interviewing around 10 to 20 people, where I have been gathering the data on how the physical or real-time journey happens. So they already have a product with them. So they came to us on how can we emphasize and how can we revamp the product, since it was like very oldish product kind of thing. So they wanted to revamp, and I was like gathering some feedback. Okay, what are the main problems you are focusing on your day with this application, and without this application, what are the problems that has been taking place, and what are the things that you're expecting from the enterprise, so that it will ease up your process and it will save you some time to gain some more goals, or to reach the target in time, or to achieve more than target, or to gain incentive. On what are the ways that we can help to that employees to boost up their work. So that was the thing I've been thinking with that. Yeah.
Okay. So mostly you are doing
extensively, from understanding the user flow, understanding the user journey, and understanding the pain points that I've been dealing with, and what kind of questions to gain the pain points, and how can we navigate and eliminate those kind of things.
Okay. So really people are doing testing?
So testing, yeah. In wireframe stage, I was also shocked, like while doing the testing, because it wasn't that much common for doing the testing in the wireframe stage itself. So what we did is, like, actually, after gaining some user research and there are multiple iterations of wireframes. After doing some wireframe stuff, we again contacted with the previously used researched people and employees, and we have had some interaction, telling like these are the new wireframe kind of thing, and we let them know like this is not the final product, and this is not the UI design, and this is not everything. So this is like a first version of a product that they will be seeing, and this is the flow they will be going through. And when we explain them to how it's not like exact testing, but letting them know what did we do to enhance their journey in the day-to-day basis. So that happened, and after that, after a certain time of time, we gained some feedback from them and again iterated.
Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you are not conducting the testing. You are doing some sort of new feature walkthrough and new feature implementations, or new feature knowledge transfer to the user, so that they start using that new features or the new upgraded flow and everything. And you are going to observe silently in terms of where they are facing struggle and all. Accordingly, you are going to iterate or the enhance the design part.
Yeah.
So that is how you are doing it.
Yeah. But initially we did try the testing method, like having some doing some prototype and giving them the link, and after that trying to analyze with Maze or some other tools. But it didn't go well as they expected. So that's the reason we kind of switched to this kind of format.
All right.
Yeah.
Fine. So initially you've been tried with the Maze, but according to your customers, it's not work out.
Yeah.
So Maze and all, basically, in my understanding, mostly into the B2C area, it will be work out. But B2B, already they are working in a company, they are using the same product. These people are more need a kind of a support and a hand-holding method to use the things.
Yeah.
For example, if I'm working in a Starbucks or whatever, not the Starbucks, if I'm working in a hotel, the restaurant, if I'm the front office manager, I have to enter the bill, then why should I learn the thing?
Yeah.
So I don't want to do the Maze kind of a stuff.
Yeah.
So preferably somebody is going to educating me, this is a new interface, this is an upgraded version 2, so that they are educating me, or they are going to give the training to me, then I can able to adopt.
Yeah, perfect. Exactly like that.
So that is how that Maze is not working for you, in my understanding. Anyways, fine. So you people I'm happy to hear that you people are doing the testing and doing the research, right? So I thought I was the only one, not like me only. So there are a few people only conduct the research and the testing, right? So we people are the odd men out in the domain.
Yeah, we can say like that, because it is not common to see the designers doing.
So commonly the software development companies, they don't do these kind of a testing, they don't do this kind of a research. So that was kind of a myth has been created. Anyway, happy to hear that you people are doing research and testing in a different manner of testing. Good. I hope you like this topic today, and if you have any queries, we will discuss on the comment section. I will catch you soon with another interesting conversation with another person. Until then, bye-bye. Small announcement. Recently, I have written a book, the book name called Foundations of UX Research. So this is a book. So this book is available on Amazon and Flipkart, even in eBook also is being available. So I'm going to share the link in the description. If you want to buy this book, you can check out those links.